Our next topic of discussion which you need to learn, characteristics of capital. Characteristics of capital. What are the characteristics of capital? One by one, simple. Mixed result of past labor. See in the definition, when we studied the definition, we talked about produced means of production, where we said the first, a particular good is produced by man by the use of natural resources. So human effort being applied with the natural resources. So that's a particular capital is first formed, which is then again used as means or as input for further production. So mixed result of past labor. Productive. Now what is capital? Capital is used for the productive purposes. Capital is used for production. Capital is used for production. Very much productive. Maybe money capital, maybe real capital, maybe finance what we are talking about, maybe the machines which we are talking about. They are all used in the production process or for producing goods and services. So capital is productive. Capital is a result of past savings. Today you save, tomorrow you can invest that. Maybe money, maybe even goods which we do not consume. We save it for future or we can invest it for some other productive purpose. Maybe in the agricultural field, maybe in the industrial field. Even in the agricultural fields, what is not used for self-consumption, something is used for self-consumption, produced, agricultural sector I am talking about. And some are left for further investment in the future. So that part can be done even in the industrial part. Whatever is used for self-consumption, whatever goods can be used for future. Some goods can be used for future investment, maybe which are not used for self-consumption. And definitely when saving comes, the maximum stress is given on the money capital, where whatever money is used for consumption now and whatever is saved. Saved means not kept idle. Saved means not kept idle. They are to be invested in future. So capital is a result of past savings. Generates possibility of earning in future. Now once capital is productive, definitely there is a question, there is a area where the earning is possible. The possibility of earning comes up because it is productive, and whenever a production process gets involved, so employment gets involved and income generation comes into the picture. Capital depreciates. The word depreciates means machines. Do you think or do you all know a machine cannot last years after years without any maintenance? Why maintenance is required? You think of the fan, you think of any machine in a factory, you think of your AC at home. They need maintenance, they need servicing to be done. Now what is that maintenance for? Because whatever machines are operating, there is, we call them wear and tear of the machines. Every machine, whenever they are going on being used, they depreciate. The capital is being used up. Even the capital itself gets consumed. Even the capital itself gets consumed. And as a result, what? With the wear and tear. That wear and tear, that means the machinery parts gets worn out. So they need to be replaced or they need to be serviced. Okay, so that wear and tear of machines is known as depreciation of capital. Supply of capital varies over time. Now question of savings, different savings options, different time at different point of time. Production varies over time. Financial conditions, financial constraints, financial situation varies over time. So definitely over time, different point of time, the production, the savings, the output, the income may change, savings may change, and with respect to those circumstances or the phenomenon, the situation or the feasible conditions, the supply of capital also varies. And production of capital involves some cost. See, whatever production of capital we are talking about, nothing is free gift of nature. Capital as a produced means which is being first produced and then it is again used for the production of further goods and services, then that particular production of the machine and the use of the machine for producing something else, so this entire process is not a free gift of nature. There is definitely some involvement of cost. So these are the characteristics of capital. These need to be the captions and they need to be explained in one sentence where you can express the basic meaning of what the caption signifies or what the caption depicts. So these are as I explained every point, if you listen it very minutely, repeatedly, you will get the explanations from here only. Definitely go through the textbook, refer to the textbook, read the text thoroughly, you will get the explanations there also. You can match everything, you will get understand, and once you read the text thoroughly and after that you go through the explanations, or you listen to the explanations first and then go through the text thoroughly. Okay, repeatedly I am talking about the explanations after the class. When you listen to them, watch them and carefully listen, you will understand the concepts clear. Still any doubt anywhere, definitely revert back to me. Thank you.